Stevon NextLevel Mindset, bringing you another powerful and positive video. It deals with what I talked about earlier, that batch recording. Remember that? If you have the time and you're able to do so, I've had times where I recorded several videos, having them ready and not even need them. As a matter of fact, I'll share this right here with you. I've got several videos right now that I've already recorded. They're sitting on the shelf, just waiting for me to release them, unlisted. And if something happens, maybe something might happen and I may have to go out of town, or I might get sick, or anything could happen. Those are videos that I already have lined up waiting for me. So think about that on your channel. Or maybe recording once a day, always having videos on the shelf. There's another PowerPoint that has helped me. Always having extra videos so that if something happened, you always got something to go for. And another thing, when we think about this recording, subscribers or views really doesn't matter. What matters is getting them to come back. And one of the ways that I've learned to do that is to build up a reputation with the YouTube system, triggering that algorithm. And one of the ways that I've been able to do that is to get my views up, to increase my views. Check out this playlist right here. I want to share that with you, how to increase your views on YouTube. I put those videos together. I think they would be great for you to watch next. So check those videos out. See me over there. Thanks again for watching. Subscribe if you haven't done so. Check out my books and my music with the Amazon sites and the links in the description. Stay blessed, stay positive. I'll see you on the next level. Peace.